a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Locally gusty winds. Southwest winds will locally gust up to 20 knots at times early this morning on the Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Smith Point and lower tidal Potomac River. Inexperienced mariners, especially those in small craft, should exercise caution and be prepared for locally higher winds and waves. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following county, District of Columbia, and the following counties, in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Calvert, Central and Southeast Howard, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Northern Baltimore, Northwest Hartford, Prince George's, Southeast Hartford and Southern Baltimore. Excessive heat warning remains in effect from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Tuesday. Excessive heat warning has expired. Dangerously hot conditions with heat index values up to 111 expected. The areas affected include portions of central, northeast, northern and southern Maryland, the District of Columbia and central and northern Virginia. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Tuesday. Impacts, extreme heat and humidity will significantly increase the potential for heat-related illnesses, particularly for those working or participating in outdoor activities. Additional details, very warm and humid conditions will persist into the overnight hours, adding heat stress to those without air conditioning. Ensure to stay hydrated and find ways to stay cool. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Young children and pets should never be left unattended in vehicles under any circumstances. Take extra precautions.